I am hella excited about this. I have been wishing for this for 2 years now. This is my dream, guys. Thank everybody enough, like, you know, more especially my mom. Also myself, though. I think I worked hard for this. So honestly, shout out to my haters. Shout out to the person behind me. Shout out to my mom. Like, I know y'all be hating on me, man, but anyway, I'm here now. Yo guys, let me just quickly vlog real quick of how far I am because I had some technical issues with my stream. God bless me with somebody told me out from Twitch. Some guy from Australia, his name is Soil. So we helped me with the motherboard, putting it in the radiator. Now we're putting in like removing the paste from the CPU cooler and putting in our new paste I bought from Cooler Master. This one. This is the build so far. That's the baby right there. Okay.
Hit the power button.
Just one hold or?
Just tap it. It'll click and let go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cool. Oh shit.
Wow.
Oh shit. Sorry for saying. Yo.
Oh, it's all good, right?
Yo, that's so cool. I could cry. Yo.
Yeah, is the GPU fans spinning?
Sorry, give me a second. Yes, they're spinning. Oh my god. That is...
Yeah, you posted.
Oh. Is it good to go for a soul, bro? I don't know what to do, bro. I'm actually crying right now. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to my setup. I'll start from going from left to right, so that it's just easier. My ring light I got from Takealot. I really like this ring light because it's really bright and just compact. And obviously it's USB, so it easily connects to my monitor. We have the power cable. Also, the ring light obviously have controls where I obviously can turn it on and off, decrease the brightness and increase the brightness, and change the color temperature of my ring lights as well. Yeah, that's my ring lights. I will be linking everything on my setup in the description below. Going on to my webcam, this is the Hikvision 2 megapixel camera with 30 frames, 1080p. It's really good. I just think for the price of it, which was 500 rand, I think it's a really good camera. Then going on to my monitor, it is a 240 hertz Alienware 24.5-inch. I'm not sure the exact size, but it's a smaller version, of course, of the 27-inch. It's really good. Really love the colors and obviously the frame rates of it. Going on to my keyboard, this is a Cooler Master CK550. It's a full, obviously, keyboard. It has blue switches. I don't really game much on it, because I still use my controller, but I think it's a really good keyboard. Then my mouse is a Endgame XM1 with the flexi cord. I also think it's a really good mouse, of course, because it does have side buttons. And then my mouse pad is a Gamdias. Okay, I don't know the mouse pad, but it is a decent size. I thought it'd be bigger because, like, I was wanted a whole desk mouse pad, but because my desk isn't as big as yet, I think I'll do just the job just for now. My controller I use to game on is the Nacon Pro Controller 3. This one is the non-wireless version, so it also has to be wired in, obviously with back pedals at the back and different profiles for whatever game you're playing. Yeah, nice, really long. I think a 5-meter cable. It's really long and also braided and USB-C with the color. I just added this like control freak thing. It's not control freak, but obviously for aim precision, it really helps a lot. My table, I got this from my neighbor. She gladly allowed me to borrow it for the time being. For my Wi-Fi, I got with Zoom Fibre, and then which is like fiber infrastructure, and also we are with Cool Ideas. So we have the 100 package, so that like I can game stream, as you guys can see, without any troubles from downstairs or anybody using the Wi-Fi at the same time as me, so everybody can just have a smooth experience. Then obviously this is my modem, and this connects to here, which is the router. So we bought a TP. This is a third-party purchase that we got from Cable Connection. So the whole house has Wi-Fi because we do have quite of a biggish house, low-key.
Okay.
Not like low-key, but like it's not like a small house, you know? So we need like a whole house to have it. Then for my second monitor, where I check my stream and stuff, this is an old Samsung TV. This used to be the main TV of the house back in the day, I think like 10 years ago. For now, I don't have the cash to actually buy a second monitor, but this will do for just for now.
You smell that? I smell cap.
It does a job, bro. It's chilled. My headset is the Piranha HP 40. I am able to hear gunshots, footsteps. It's a good mic as well. I really would highly recommend it if you're looking to buy a budget headset. Going on to my tower. Obviously you guys saw this in the building video, but obviously just to go over the specs again, this is a Lian biodynamic case 011D. My CPU is a 5800X with an NZXT Z73 Kraken because it's the non-RGB version. But of course I got this one because I can obviously customize the LCD screen with the motherboard. I think it's an MSI Mag B550 Motor because it's the ITX, the small version of the full one, which obviously is the boom. I don't know, guys. I'm so sorry. Then my RAM is the Balastics. I got a 8 gigabytes by 4 kit, so in total 32 gigs, running at 3600 megahertz.
What do you mean breathe? Don't tell me to breathe. I can't be. Yo, bring me a shot. Bring me a shot.
Obviously I got that for obviously doing multiple tasks at once because this is a streaming and gaming rig. Bad boy, of course, down here. Pallit GameRock 3080 GPU, just to do whatever I need to do. High frames for obviously for my monitor and gaming experience, and also streaming. Obviously my fans, I got the Cooler Master Cycle design. And then also for my storage, I have the 1TB NVMe Samsung 970 Evo SSD and a 2TB HDD by Seagate. But yeah, guys, that's my whole setup. If you guys like the video and seeing more content of me making content on this setup, because this is my gaming, streaming, and content creation setup, please do leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it.